Good size 2 bedroom, a sort of living room area and a TV. And the dividing wall, we can have a kitchen down here and shower, toilet, wash and basin, hot water. The bed's here. You can put up a screen along here, but there's no problem. You can eat here. This one's only a kitchen for tea or coffee or microwave food over the other kitchens for cooking. So you've got two options for cooking. Then the toilet, shower and wash and basin. This one's 6,000 bahts for 1 month. And it's a 2 bedroom. Another bedroom here. So bedroom. You can put an office desk if you wanted to study. We can put a desk in here, and it's got a table and chairs outside and washing machines. I'll take you to see that on. You can park motorbikes right outside your front door. There's a car park. If you want valuable bikes or that, you can stick them inside the garage. The garage is open for you until maybe 9 o'clock at night. We can shut the garage. So that's the larger kitchen. Then down the back, like I say, there's a swimming pool, toilets, wash and basin, all that sort of stuff down there. And a good place to sit and relax. You can cook food down at the pool, barbecues. So this one's at Leah Resort in UdonThani, and it's available today. So 6,000 baht a month, 200 baht a day. Daily, it's 599 baht. So 600 baht a day, because we've got to clean it and service it and change the beds and so forth every day, and water and provide different things for you. But this one's available for monthly 6,000. What more do you want? If you need it bigger, we can take the wardrobe away. There's a door there, and we can give you a 3 bedroom and 2 shower suites. So it's basically another good size, another maybe 35 square metres. But that would cost you 9,500 baht a month for 3 bedrooms. But if you want the extra room and you want the privacy maybe for an office, then it's maybe a good option as well. Okay, so that's Leah Resort, UdonThani, 1 bedroom apartments, 3,500 baht a month, 2 bedrooms, 6,000 baht a month. Okay, available today. You can come for a look and see what you think. About 20 minutes at UdonThani. Now the motorways improved, the new roads from the motorway to the resort, so it's super fast now. And Nong Kai's super fast to get to as well. So you want to have a look. It's got, what do you call it? It's got super fast Wi-Fi as well. So that's it. Okay. And that's your living area. I've got a coffee table. I can put other wee units maybe in here if you need other stuff. Okay, so it's available now. 2 bedroom apartment, super large kitchen, swimming pool for 6,000 baht a month.